Today I'm making a chocolate peanut butter ice cream cake. First I'm going to do some prep for the ice cream cake, so I have some peanut butter cups and Reese's Pieces and I'm going to chop them up. Next I'm going to build the ice cream cake, so I have an 8x8 pan and I'm going to add a layer of double chocolate Klondike bars on the bottom. Next I'm going to add a layer of whipped topping and spread that out. Next I'm going to add half of the Reese's peanut butter cups and half of the Reese's Pieces that I chopped up earlier. Next I'm going to drizzle some magic shell. Next I'm going to add another layer of the double chocolate Klondike bars. Then I'm going to add another layer of whipped topping and spread that out. Next I'm going to sprinkle the rest of the peanut butter cups and Reese's Pieces. Lastly, I'm going to drizzle some more magic shell on top and then put this in the freezer for a few hours before serving. Here's an up close look at the chocolate peanut butter ice cream cake.